Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to claim Alice in Raid Shadow Legends. If you want to get Alice in Raid Shadow Legends, it depends on whether there's an ongoing event. Right now, there isn't one, so the main way to get her is through summoning. Alice is part of the Sacred Order and is a legendary champion, so you'll need shards that can drop legendaries, Ancient, Void, Primal, or Sacred Shard. The rarer the shard, the better your chances of pulling her. In the past, Alice could also be earned from special events like dedicated quests or daily login rewards, but at the moment, those aren't active, so your best bet is summoning with higher rarity shards. If an event comes back, just make sure to complete the quests or event objectives to claim her fragments or the champion itself. Staying active during events is key to not missing out. Basically, summoning is your go-to right now, and events are the bonus opportunities. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.